Hey guys, it's Kevin here in Japan with another daily vlog. Well, not every once in a while daily vlog. I'm just patchworking some footage together. Today I promised my son that we were gonna cycle downtown here in Kobe, Japan and play some Pokemon Go for a pretty long epic bike ride. And on the way, we're crossing Kobe Bridge. What do I see docked at port terminal? But 3 warships from the, they don't say Navy in Japan. Japan doesn't technically have a Navy. They have a Japanese Maritime Self-Defense Force. I said, hey buddy, let's stop for a moment so I can take some photos with my phone. And we stop on the bridge, and then there's this woman running along. Ends up it's a friend of my wife's who's out for a jog, and she's like, hey, you know, you guys can actually go on those ships until 3 p.m. today. It's like an open house. So we cycled right there and we went and checked out the ships, and it was pretty cool. So I took a few minutes of video and I wanted to show you guys that. So go check that out. And yeah, cool stuff. Downtown here in port terminal here in Kobe, Japan, and they've got some Japanese Maritime Self-Defense Force ships here today. Let's check that out. So we're here on the JS Marusame inside the helicopter hangar. There's the main man checking out the info, and they have a helicopter here. Very neat. That's called the bridge. That's where the captain sits and all of the people who drive the ship. Okay. Those are two more ships down there. And my son wants to go to play Pokemon Go. Very cool. All right, let's go. Let's go this way.
Let's go up.
Yep. So here are the warships as seen from the port liner. They run the
The helicopter. The helicopter.
Alright guys, thanks for watching that video. Check out the links below today. I just put up a new episode of the Just Japan podcast, by the way. So go check that out. All the links are below. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I'm wandering along at night. Maybe I'm playing Pokemon Go. Maybe I'm not. Alright guys, take care and thank you.